guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Winnie Joe and I speak on issues concerning international students and intending international students. Don't forget to join me on Instagram and on Twitter, same name, I am Winnie Joe. The link is beneath this video description. Occasionally we have this Instagram live on Sundays at 2 or 3 p.m. where we talk about the different stages of this journey to the UK. All right, so we usually have this question and answer stage sections and all of that, and I kind of try to answer a lot of questions. All right, so you could just join in, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. And also don't forget, you can join the Telegram group if you have any questions or you want elaborate answers on whatever video I put up. If you need to link me up on any business discussion, you could just join the Telegram group. I carry out different services, from your application to your writing your SOP, CV writing, and so many other things. All right, so just join the Telegram group and just send me a DM. I should be able to answer you. Okay, and also on the Telegram group you could ask whatever question you want to. There are a lot of people that are already in the UK on that Telegram group, a lot of people that are knowledgeable about the whole journey, that will be able to give you current and good insights on whatever stage you are in right now. And yes guys, don't forget Amber Students. Amber Students is an accommodation organization. They specialize in giving out accommodation to international students way before you arrive into the UK. So you just have to click on the link in this video description and you'll be opportuned, you'll be able to see a lot of houses available in different areas in the UK. I think homes available in selected areas are just in Manchester, London, Sheffield, Edinburgh, Glasgow, and so others, many selected areas. Okay, so we have different categories of homes like flats, shared apartment rooms. Okay, and also I carry out extra services like airport pickup, opening student account, and so many other things. All right, so you just click on the link in this video description, and whatever accommodation you're looking for, whatever services you're looking for, Amber Students have good, experienced, qualified customer care representatives to cater for your need. All right, so don't forget about them. All right, and this services is only for this Amber Students services only available for single students. So if you're a student with dependents, no, you just have to watch some of my recent videos I just put up where I spoke in length about the kind of things you need, the kind of orders, the kind of documentations you need if you really need an accommodation for a family in the UK as a student. All right, so I also make a video on the kind of documents you should put up. So whatever stage you are in this journey, I have videos for them. All right, it's just for you to go through my videos. If you're just starting this journey, you don't know where to begin, I have videos that would guide you through the process from the beginning to the end. And if you're already midway, I have videos to expatiate on proof of fund, visa applications, and all of that. And I know some of my videos might be a little bit controversial because I try to give content that is beneficial to all areas. All right, because I know that's not just only Nigerians that are watching my videos. I have viewers from all over the world, so I try to make my content to accommodate everyone, okay, in between. All right, so to my new subscribers, welcome to this family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and to the new subscribers, thank you so much for sharing and commenting and liking. All right, thank you so much for the support so far. So thank you so much. And today I'm going to be talking about a very critical issue, like a very serious matter. So recently a Tier 4 student dependents had their visa revoked, okay, and they were ordered to go back to their home country. All right, so this video is going to just talk about that story and give you insight on what you need to do and what you don't need to do when coming to the UK as a dependent. So please try to watch this video to the end and share with others so they are aware of what is expected of them. So now basically something happened recently, and a dependent of an international student was asked to go back to their home country, and inclusive of the international students, their certificate of sponsorship, their Tier 4 visa was actually revoked. Now, this is what happened. The international student herself is not married. They just had an understanding with this person, and the guy is not married to. He just, like, they just met and said, okay, we could just behave like partners, so I could be your dependent and we could come into the UK. And the girl agreed on the terms that they were going to share some of the responsibilities and so many other things, particle fees, the accommodation fees, and so many other things. And so the girl agreed. Now, they came to the UK on the grounds that they were married. They actually made, I don't know if they actually did an actual marriage or they actually forged a certificate, and they actually arrived in the UK. The thing right now is that basically UK was already aware, the school was already aware, UKVI was already aware that this person was married and came into the UK married. Now, along the way, after like the first semester, during the second semester, the boy in question, because he had no relationship with the students, with the girl, so he actually met another person and fell in love. And where he made mistake was the moment he tried to apply for a marriage license. That was where the mistake came in. Now they're going through their data. They asked him to, okay, you're not a citizen of the UK, okay, bring your BRP, your international passport. And they're going through it all, and they're saying that he came in as a student dependent. He came in saying he's married. They viewed all his they viewed all the documentations he actually provided on the UKVI website, and they discovered that he came in as a fraud. Right now, the police was informed, the school was informed, UKVI was informed of a fraud alert, a possible fraud alert, and the whole thing escalated from there. I mean, we're talking about interviews upon interviews, police checkup upon checkups, and all of that. Till eventually, the school said the cast was given on false pretense, the whatever it is, and every other thing was given on false pretense. UKV also attested to that this visa was given on false declarations, and so they revoked the student visa, the Tier 4 visa, and then they revoked the dependent visa. Now, this is what you must do to make sure that this is not your case. Please, when coming to the UK, make sure you don't forge any document whatsoever, and make sure that if you're coming as a dependent of a student, an international student, make sure the person is actually your legal partner. And yes, you cannot divorce in the UK till after about a year or 2 years after you've arrived to the UK. Usually you just said you're married from your home country. You cannot be divorced within a month or within 2 months, and you cannot remarry when you're already married. It's a crime. Okay, so this dependent actually was already married on paper, and he was applying for a marriage license again. Okay, so it was as if he wanted to marry 2 wives, and you know that the UK government does not have provision for polygamy. All right, so make sure that all your documentations is right. Even though you want to even have a divorce, you cannot have a divorce while you're still on the student visa or something. It cannot be impromptu. Okay, you cannot remarry when your marriage certificate is still valid, when divorce has not been properly done. Okay, and to divorce in the UK actually have a lot of processes involved, so you need to make sure that all these things go through the right means. And right now we don't even know if they were actually married or not. Okay, if it was maybe they were actually married, but the fact that the guy wanted to remarry just 5 months on arrival to the UK to someone else, a citizen for that matter, it was enough red flag. Okay, so just make sure that your dependent documents, they are all valid. Whatever you tell the UKVI, they are all true. There's no changes in whatever you said. There's no discrepancies or differences in whatever you say or whatever your partner say, your dependent said. And you as a dependent, I know that you're not tied down to your schooling and any other thing. I know as a dependent you're almost free like a citizen and all of that, but that does not give you the freedom to jeopardize the life of an international student. So let's assume that it was actually fake, and maybe the girl actually did the guy a favor by by bringing him into the UK as a dependent or as a married dependent, whereas they are not actually married. You can imagine what the hastiness of the guy, what is the action he made that has cost this girl a lot of funds and a lot of opportunities. And right now they've been banned from entering the UK for the next 10 years. So please, when you're a dependent, make sure that you don't do anything to jeopardize that visa. Even though you and your married partner, maybe legally married partner, you're no longer together, you are separated while on a student visa, please, you don't have the right to remarry while still on that student visa. You have to follow due process. If you want to divorce in the UK, I think there are some processes involved. You have to get a lawyer and all of that, or you can go back to your home country and get a divorce. All right, but it cannot be too early, it cannot be too impromptu, like you're just arriving and things are already going amiss. It's going to create a red flag. The basics on which the UK visa actually allows families to come is because of support. And now you're saying you want to divorce, now you're saying you want to be free, you want to be separated. It means that that basics is no longer valid. So UKVI reserve the right to actually send you back home to your home country, deport you and cancel your visa. And same thing as the school, they have the right to actually withdraw their CAS, okay, their sponsorship. So that's all today. I just hope I've been able to give a little bit of wisdom to the dependents of international students and how they're able to go about everything, them, their documentation and all of that. So even if you are actually free, you are not so free to the extent to jeopardize your own life, to jeopardize the international student life. Okay, so please, let's try to make good decisions and try not to forge any document whatsoever. If there's any discrepancy in your documentation, get an affidavit to it, okay, to make sure that everything all tally. Make sure you have letter of explanation to make it to explain any discrepancy or any differences in name, date of birth, or any certifications or whatsoever. All right, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as I said earlier, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. We usually have Instagram live, yes, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, same name. I am Winnie Joe, and our Instagram live is usually at 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. every Sunday. Yeah, and don't forget to join the Telegram group, and you could actually order my services on any stage you are on your journey to the UK. And finally, don't forget I'm bus student, so the link to all of this is in this video description, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching. Bye.